One of the great advantages of working in Wales is its size. It's large enough to have lots of skills and lots of industries, but small enough to be very connected, and we find that very attractive.
Cymru is the second largest offshore wind farm in the world. Its output is equivalent to the electricity demand for 400,000 homes. I had over 1,200 applications for what I've got as a full-time employee figure of 37 people. So I was allowed to pick the creme de la creme, and I've got a team that are second to none.
The skill set that we access here is world class, and that's taken many decades to develop.
During the construction phase, we've issued contracts to local suppliers of greater than 90 million, and we've got 20 to 25 years of maintenance where we're going to be looking to the local companies to provide services for us going forward.
Certainly what we found here in Wales, it was good connectivity between the Welsh Government, the local authorities and also the UK Government. That has enabled us to connect with funding streams, with grants, but also with other parts of the industry and other companies, and the Welsh Government has proved itself very able to make those connections. I would recommend Wales for its speed, for its connectivity and for its can-do, will-do attitude.